Okay, so we're going to use the software to create an animated popover window. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is put in the URL to the window you want to pop over your current window. So I'm just going to go with google.com for this example. Okay, next you need to put in whatever clickable text you want to show on your site. So I'm just going to say go to Google. Okay, next, do you want to scroll bars to display? So for a longer site, you're going to want to have scroll bars on the side. So it's up to you here. I'm just going to say yes. Do you want the window to be resizable? Again, that's up to you. I usually like to make the window resizable. Vertical scroll speed. I suggest you leave these as the defaults because I've optimized these to a good speed, but you can play around with them. So the higher the number, the slower the speed. Okay, so this is the vertical scroll speed. Then we have the horizontal scroll speed, which we have going slower. Okay, again, you can change that if you want. Now all you do is click generate and save it to a folder on our computer. Okay, so I'm going to save it to test folder here. Click OK. Okay, so here is our test folder. Now I've already moved in my website, so these two are things I moved in here. So when you're done, all you're going to see is animatedwindow.js and instructions.txt. Now also your instructions opened up here. So upload animatedwindow.js to the same location that your website resides. Okay, so I already have that happening here because I moved my website in where these files are. Okay, add the following code to your website just before the /head tag. So let's grab this. Let's do a copy. Okay, so what we do now, I'm going to open my website using a web editor called Composer. And Composer is free to download if you don't have a web editor you like to use. Okay, so I'm going to open up my site here. Okay, now I'm going to go to Source. In the Source tab here, I'm going to go find the /head tag. Okay, here it is here. So what I'm going to do is right above that, I'm going to paste that line of code in there. Okay, let's hit the normal key again. Let's go back to our instructions. Now it says add the following line of code to your site where you want the clickable link to appear. So all we're going to do now is grab this, copy, and then wherever we want the clickable link on our website to appear, we just enter it, the text there. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. So I do insert HTML, I paste this in here, and insert. Okay, so there's the clickable text. Let's click save. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to open the website. Okay, so here's our clickable link. I'm going to click on it. Now starting beyond where you can see, the window is starting to come across. And here's the animation coming across. And there is Google popped over top. Okay, and then this is a resizable window, so I can grab it and I can resize the window as you see here. Okay, so that's how you use the software to create your animated popover window.